National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hampshire, or 7 miles east of Genoa, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hunley, Hampshire, and Pingree Grove around 4:10 p.m. Elgin and Gilbert's around 4:15 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Huntley to near Hampshire to near Lily Lake to Maple Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rolling Meadows, Glendale Heights, Valley View, Bellwood, Carroll Stream, Berkeley, Lily Lake, Hillside, North Lake, West Dundee, Schiller Park, West Chicago, South Elgin, Stone Park, Inverness, Elmhurst, South Barrington, Rosemont, Gilbert's, Lombard, DuPage Airport, Wayne, St. Charles, Roselle, and Barrington Hills. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in 5 p.m. Remain alert for a... The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cortland to near Inkley to Waterman to near Shabona, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oswego, Montgomery, North Aurora, Boulder Hill, Big Rock, Caneville, Aurora, Batavia, Shabona, Hinkley, Bristol, Sugar Grove, Waterman, Little Rock, Geneva, Elburn, and Yorkville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6:30 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles southwest of McHenry to Elgin to 9 nautical miles northwest of Aurora, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Belmont Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunderstorm warning for